Hello everyone, Jason with Innovations Technology Group here, and today we are going to be doing a review on the j5create USB-C docking station with power delivery. This device will be able to, as you can see on the back of it here, and I'm going to take it out of the box and show it to you, but you've got quite a few options here on the back. It's USB-C to your computer, and then on it you're going to have the audio port, you're going to have Ethernet, SD, micro SD, HDMI, three USB 3 ports that are USB-A, and then a USB-C port. So let me go ahead and take it out of the box and show you what it looks like. Okay folks, here it is. This is the j5create USB-C. There's the back of it right there. And there's, as you can see, there's the audio jack, Ethernet port, SD card slot, micro SD card slot, HDMI. Here we got USB 3 ports, 3 of them, and 1 USB-C. And as you can see, this kind of sits up a little bit at a slight angle down, so your laptop can actually sit on top of it. I'm going to probably set this up either on the front, so my laptop, if this is the screen, it's going to set up like this. So I have the ports in the front, which might make it easier for me to use. But I don't know. So the way you plug this in is underneath where this light gray bar is here, there is a opening, and there's your USB-C cable. So you can pull that out, and it's just in there being held on with notches. Now, the way this works is you can have it, depending on your laptop setup, you can have it coming out of a hole on this side of the device, or you can reroute it and have it coming out of this side. So it's real super convenient. For me, my USB-C is on the right side of the computer, so I will have it coming out the right side of the device so that I can just simply plug it in and I'll be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in to my ASUS Zenbook Duo Pro, and we'll show you what that looks like. Okay folks, so here's how I've got it set up right here. As you can see, I put it right underneath this keyboard where you could see that it's set up on my desk with the Zenbook Duo Pro here. And I am going to plug it in to the side and show you what happens on the Windows side. Here we go. Okay, so I do have this plugged into my computer here, and this is running Windows 11, so this is definitely working on my Windows 11 machine. So first thing that it did is it created a couple additional drive letters. As you can see, I already had a D and an E drive, but what it added was the F drive for the SD card and a G drive for the micro SD card, so that I can actually take videos and pictures directly out of my camera, plug them right into this, and it's going to recognize it as a drive right away. Unfortunately, I don't have one at the moment to do that, but those are the drives. The other thing that it did was it created an additional Ethernet adapter on my device, because it does have a Ethernet port on this j5create USB-C docking station. This could be very helpful. I have had some Wi-Fi issues in the past, which is the reason why I ended up looking to purchase this device. So I purchased it, and I was going to use it to plug in my Ethernet cord so I could be online and not have to use a USB to Ethernet adapter. I just would have a docking station for my laptop that I'm using as my daily driver. But as you can see, there it is right here. So yeah, that's it. Everything came up, installed. I mean, everything was already recognized. So this has been definitely a seamless integration. I will probably be using this for a while, and then I'll get back to you guys and let you know how it's been working for me. I actually have 2 of these. I intend to keep one on this machine, and then I intend to also take one with me just in case I get to a site somewhere and I require a few additional ports for my Surface Pro 8. It has 2 or 4 USB-C ports on the device, but no USB-A ports, no Ethernet port. And so this will allow me to have a docking station attached to it. And the docking station can actually go underneath where the stand comes out on the Surface Pro 8. And so then I can plug in my devices there and be able to do what I need to. So that's going to do it for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. And if you would like to see more videos that I put out, definitely click the subscribe button. And we hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.